Oh my gosh, you guys. I found them. They had them at Walmart. They did not have them in the cookie aisle at Walmart, but I had walked down the bread aisle to pick up a loaf of bread, and they were at the end of the aisle. And I got a lot of them. 6 of them to be exact. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of these cookies. I have a problem, but I found them. I'm so excited that I found them, and now I'm gonna open a box or a bag. I'm gonna open them, and I'm gonna have some while I clean up the house a little bit, and watch 90210 while I'm cleaning. And my package came in from Amazon. This is so funny. You guys are gonna laugh. Let me open this and I'll show you guys what it is. Okay, so these are like protective earmuffs. You guys can see they're earmuffs. Brian and I are actually going to an NHRA race on Saturday, which is like the National Hot Rod Association race. We got free tickets through Brian's company, and I've never been to an NHR race. Brian used to actually run or work for a guy that ran those, so Brian is very, very familiar with all that stuff, and he loves racing, so this is kind of taking him back. He's really excited about it, but he also said that they were very, very loud, and so he told me to order some earmuffs, so that's what I did. So I ordered the black ones because I figured they'll be cute, you know, because I can't have, like, you know, bright green ones or bright orange ones, so they have to be cute. So I got some black ones. I'm hoping that they work. They said that they should for loud things. They were highly recommended for like people who work in loud jobs and all that good stuff. So I'm excited about the race. I've never seen one of those before, and I'm just kind of excited to experience it. Even though we did get a little sneak peek at one last year when we were in Vegas. A friend of his was racing out at the Vegas track, and we stopped over there for a few minutes and watched him race, and it was very loud. But this is going to be like a continuous thing. I don't know much about it, but anyway, I'm just excited about going, experiencing it, and yeah, I'll be sharing that with you guys too. It's probably nothing that anybody's excited about, quite honestly, but I'm still gonna vlog a little bit and share it with you guys because that's where we're gonna be most of the day on Saturday. Sadly, my neighbor is not having a Cinco de Mayo party this year. I was hoping that she was going to, because that's usually very, very fun. But she's not having one this year, so we're not gonna be doing Cinco de Mayo. But I mean, maybe if we get back in time, maybe we're all gonna go out to dinner, Mexican wise, celebrate our own Cinco de Mayo. Not really sure, but anyway, I gotta get some stuff done around here. This month, I was hoping to do a month of the purge, which is gonna be a month of house organization, cleaning, purging, all of this stuff that I have, going through everything, getting rid of everything, which I've kind of already started doing that a little while ago, where I took some stuff and donated it to Goodwill. But I'm definitely gonna get like more serious about it, and like even go through cabinets in bathrooms, drawers in our bedrooms, closets everywhere, throughout the house. I'm gonna try to get as much stuff as I can possibly done this month. It's just gonna start like this month. I'm not gonna say that it's gonna start and end in this month. This is just the month of the purge, where I'm gonna start doing all that stuff and getting rid of everything. It might lead into June, it might lead into July, just depending, because obviously I can't like dedicate like all day long to, you know, something, because I'm always busy running back and forth doing something. I have to laundry, doing, you know, keeping up with regular house chores or whatever. But definitely going to start doing that this month. I already have, I'm gonna start with my bathroom, because I'm really getting sick of my underneath my cabinet in there. It's just like so much junk and so many like bottles of stuff that I don't use, and there's other things there that I don't use, so I'm gonna try to get rid of all that stuff as well. But for now, I'm gonna go sit down for a second, have some lunch, and then I'm gonna get started with folding some clothes and getting some more stuff done around the house. But first, I brought these cookies in my room. I don't know why. I think because I'm gonna carry them around with me everywhere I go, because I love them so much. And they're not, well, they're 150 calories for 10. Not too bad. So I can have 10 of them. So I'm gonna sit here and have 10 of them, and I will get back with you guys a little bit later. So I've actually been cooking a pot roast today. Since I got back from the store, I actually put a pot roast in, and I've just kind of been in the mood. I've been craving. It's got carrots, onion, and some potatoes in there. There's some celery in there. I just bought, like, it's already like a prepared type of thing, and you just kind of throw it in a crock pot. That's what I did, because I didn't feel like buying like separate of everything. But I have a stack of clothes on my bed now that I have to fold. I've been like avoiding the pile and I'm like, oh god, I gotta get it off the bed. So I'm gonna get that off my bed. I have a load of towels in my bathroom that I have to put in this basket, and I'm gonna go take those to the washing machine right now. And I actually need to like clean up my bathroom a little bit, obviously straighten it up. So I think that's what I'm gonna do right now. And I think basically what I'm gonna do is like a quick power hour clean. Just a bit of straightening. I need to clean up the blankets in the living room. I need to fold up those clothes. I need to take the dishes out of the dishwasher and put those away, and then put the ones that are in the sink in the dishwasher, get the kitchen cleaned up, and then obviously do some laundry. So yeah, let's do a power hour clean and get those few things done. Finished folding up these clothes. I just have to go put them away now. I've done the bathroom. I've cleaned up the kitchen. I didn't like fully do the bathroom. I just want to wipe down the countertops and just kind of put a few things away. I didn't give it a big thorough cleaning. I'll probably do that closer to the weekend. But yeah, everything looks good. I'm so happy about all that. Kind of getting caught up, but it's like so funny. I'm getting caught up, and as soon as I like put all this stuff away, I see I have a laundry, the hamper in the bathroom full of clothes again. Go figure. But I did throw a load of towels in the washing machine, and I'm gonna get those folded up and put away as soon as those are finished. And that's it. I'm gonna call it a day because I'm actually feeling a little ill. I've been trying to take turmeric or turmeric, whatever, however you pronounce it. But anyway, I've been taking it for about 3 days now to kind of keep inflammation down, because that's what it's for, and to keep like headaches and stuff, because I get really bad headaches, like seriously, like on the daily. And I'm really trying to wean myself away from like Cokes. So I've been trying to drink a ton of water, but I'm also suffering from this premenopausal crap. So I keep like getting like sweaty, dizzy. I need to go sit down. I mean, I start sweating, my face turns really flush. And that's what happened a few minutes ago while I was in the middle of folding my laundry or whatever. I kind of got dizzy and real flush and hot spell, so I needed to go cool down. So I drank like a big glass of ice water, got a rag, and kind of just patted my face a little bit, and then it kind of went away and I was good. So, and it's been happening. If it continues, I think I'm gonna go to the doctor this month and maybe do some blood tests just to see, maybe having a little low vitamin D or something, because I know sometimes there's signs of that. But anyway, that's about it. But I am gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. That way I can finish getting this stuff put away and then get this up and edited. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And guess what? 28 days until my Disney solo trip.